Good morning. Today we are going to study about combustion in SI engine. Basically, combustion is a chemical reaction in which certain elements of fuel like hydrogen and carbon combine with oxygen, liberating heat energy and causing an increase in the temperature of gases. The basic conditions which are necessary for combustion are presence of a combustible mixture and some means of initiating process like a spark plug. The theory of combustion is a very complex subject and is a field of intensive research. The process of combustion in engines generally take place either in a homogeneous form or a heterogeneous form depending upon the type of engine. Generally, in SI engine, a nearly homogeneous mixture of air and fuel is formed in the carburetor. The homogeneous mixture is thus formed outside the engine cylinder and the combustion is initiated inside the cylinder at a particular instant towards the end of the compression stroke. The flame front spreads over a combustible mixture with a certain velocity. Once the fuel-air mixture is ignited, a flame front appears and rapidly spread through the mixture. The flame propagation is caused by heat transfer and the diffusion of burning fuel molecules from the combustion zone to the adjacent layers of unburnt mixture. The flame front is a narrow zone separating the fresh mixture from the combustion products. The velocity with which the flame front moves with respect to unburnt mixture in a direction normal to its surface is called the normal flame velocity. In case of heterogeneous mixture, the rate of combustion is determined by the velocity of mutual diffusion of fuel vapors and air, and the rate of chemical reaction is of minor importance. Self-ignition or spontaneous ignition of the fuel-air mixture at high temperature developed due to the higher compression ratio is of primary importance. When the mixture is heterogeneous, the combustion can take place in an overall lean mixture. A comprehensive study of combustion in both SI and CI engine we are going to study. For SI engine, there are basically two types of combustion. That is, we can divide combustion in SI engine in two general types. In a conventional SI engine, the fuel and air are homogeneously mixed together in the intake system, inducted through the intake valve into the cylinder where it mixes with the gases and is then compressed. Under normal operating condition, the combustion is initiated towards the end of the compression stroke at the spark plug by an electric discharge. A turbulent type of flame develops following the ignition and propagates through this pre-mixed charge of fuel and air, and also the residual gases in the clearance volume until it reaches the combustion chamber walls. The combustion in SI engine is divided into two general types: normal combustion and abnormal combustion. In the normal combustion, the flame initiated by the spark travels across the combustion chamber in a uniform manner. That is, the complete fuel air mixture, the complete burning of fuel air mixture is caused because of this flame front initiated by the spark plug with the help of electric discharge. But under certain operating conditions, the combustion may deviate from its normal course, leading to the loss of performance and possible damage to the engine. This type of combustion may be termed as abnormal combustion, and it is also known as knocking combustion. The consequences of abnormal combustion are loss of power, mechanical damage to the engine, and pre-ignition chances. We will see about these combustion methods in detail in our further class.